Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about tourism. And recently Minister Bartlett had a meeting to discuss to meet with tourism stakeholders to discuss the rapidly growing tourism sector in Jamaica. Now Jamaica currently has 31,000 hotel rooms, and they plan to add another 5,000 rooms in the next. No, sorry, they plan to add 20,000 hotel rooms in the next couple of years. And in this year, 2024, they plan to add 3,000 hotel rooms. Now, this is great for Jamaica. The tourism product is growing. That's great. But Jamaica also has to put in the infrastructure to accommodate these additional tourists. And they also need people to work in these new hotels. So you also need people, like the city of Kingston has the largest population. Between Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town, you have almost half of the Jamaican population, if not more. Probably 2/3. But the tourist sector is in the North Coast, Negril, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios. So you need to put in the infrastructure to allow people to get from Kingston to those areas easily and quickly. Also, when the tourists come, you have to be able to get them around the island easily and quickly. So the government is having a lot of meetings with stakeholders to, one, discuss the labor issue, because these hotels are going to need people to work in them. And there are so many hotels in Jamaica that you find that people have to come from outside of the areas to work. There's just not enough people to work in all of these hotels. Or not really hotels, but the entire tourism sector, because you have tour operators, etc. So we're going to go through an article where the Minister of Tourism gives an update on a meeting he had re the tourism market. Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett says he will be meeting with stakeholders to examine the needs and opportunities given the significant growth taking place in tourism. The meeting comes as the sector remains on track to add 20,000 new hotel rooms over the next 10 to 15 years, with nearly 3,000 new rooms to come on stream this year. So think of the demand now that this creates, Minister Bartlett said. He shared that the meeting with the tourism stakeholders will explore what the additional rooms means for human capital development, for skills and for training, and for, more importantly, what it means for our local production capacity, because we're going to have to do more in 2024. The Minister Bartlett was addressing the launch of the Blue Mountain Coffee Festival at Devon House in St. Andrew. The 7th staging of the event is slated for Saturday, March 2nd at Newcastle in St. Andrew. Minister Bartlett shared that 3 million stopover visitors are expected this year. 3 million tourists in a country of 2.8 million people means that for the first time the real flow through effect of the tourism dollar is going to be felt by a larger and larger portion of the population, he noted. The tourism minister pointed out that with 73% of tourists to Jamaica coming from the world's top coffee consuming country, the United States of America, there are opportunities for increasing production capacity, investment in coffee, tourism, and its linkages. Alright, so that is the end of the update. So guys, let us know what you think about this tourism industry. And I think it's just a matter of time. Every year Jamaica is going to be adding more and more hotel rooms. I mean, just drive on the North Coast and you see the amount of hotels being built. And that's excellent for Jamaica. For instance, take St. Thomas. Bull Bay. Now, when you think of St. Thomas, the last thing you think about is tourism or hotels. But because the government is investing in the infrastructure over there, meaning they're building the Southern Coastal Highway, which takes you from Kingston to Bull Bay in probably 5 to 10 minutes on a highway, a 4-lane dual carriageway. You can get there so easily. So hotels are being built in Bull Bay now. You have luxury villas that probably will be used for Airbnb. So at least some of them going up. So that is the kind of investment that you need in the infrastructure to support these hotels. And you're going to have people to work in the hotels. The hotels are going to need to be stocked with food. So it's a trickle down effect that goes right through the island. Alright guys, let us know what you think. So they're going to be adding 3,000 new hotel rooms in 2024. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on all of these projects. Alright guys, have a good day.